So, hey, what's up, everyone? So, it's me again, Ana Rose Vergara. So, for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng special content dahil pumayag yung agent namin, guys. Na-share ko yung story sa inyo kung paano siya nagsimula as agent and ano na ang status ng agency niya. So, ipapakilala ko na siya sa inyo. Our humble, beautiful, and napakamatulungin na tao, guys. So, ladies and friends, our agent, Crocsmill Lady. So yan guys, nag-start yung agency niya last August 1, 2023 and mag 7 months 7 months pa lang yung agency niya and nag-start sila ng 10 lang sila. And guess what? Ngayon, nasa, almost 600 na ang members na. Marunong ka talaga mag-manage ng tao. Kaya binibless ni God din kasi gustong gusto ko din yung goal niya, guys. Kasi yung goal talaga niya dito as agent, guys, na gusto niya makatulong sa mga taong deserving talagang tulungan. And alam niyo naman, humble lang sa part na ayaw niya kinakwento or hindi siya nagsishare masyado yung mga tinutulungan niya. Pero nalalaman ko, pero sabi niya hindi ko daw sasabihin. Kung nasabi ko na, pero secret lang yon, hindi niyo narinig yon. Ayaw niya magmayabang sa mga naitulong niya. Kumbaga secret lang daw yun. So secret lang natin yun. So kung magjo-join ka or member ka ng Crocs, hindi ka talagang masasad, guys. Kasi ganun lang or grabe lang yung ka-creative or ka-imaginative ng agent namin. Kasi every month, meron kaming mga ganap, marami mga palaro, na aside from nai-enjoy kayo, magkaka-income
Hindi nga siya
din kayo.
madamot.
Yes,
Lagi
siyang nag-share ng mga blessings niya sa mga members niya and hindi yun bihira and hindi yun biro yung dami ng members niya, di ba? So every month ganon yung ginagawa namin. Ginagawa na may mga activity and nung yung 6 months namin, nagkaroon kami ng guys, isang big event ng singing contest. So aside from enjoying dito sa pupo na nagla-live, nagta-tasking, parang nai-enhance din yung talent mo, yung mga skills mo. Kasi nagkaroon kami ng singing contest and hindi yun nilalang lang. Kasi po, nagkaroon kami ng sobra 30 yung sumali sa singing contest and hindi lang yun pure na dito sa Philippines. Meron din yung sumalit na sa ibang bansa. So, ganun siya kasaya. And aside from that, thankful din ako kasi first time ko din ma-experience yon and thanks to our agent na nag-host dito sa online, like virtual. First time ko yung na-try. So parang ang dami mong magagawa dito sa Pupor, ang daming ganap. So hindi ka talaga mabobore. Diba? Isa lang din sa mga nagustuhan ko din sa kanya, guys, is ginaguide ka talaga niya. Isa-isa niya talaga kayong i-guide, hindi yung pababayaan ka lang. So, mai-share ako sa inyo, guys, that all over Philippines, ang Crocs Agency ay nasa top 48. Yes, nasa top 48 po ang Crocs Agency. So, sa dinami-dami ba naman ng agency sa Pupo, nasa top 48 po yung Crocs Agency. So, congratulations po to our agent, Crocs Lady. You're doing really a great job. So sila po yung nanalo or ito po yung nanalo during our singing contest. Second placer, Crocsling. First placer, Crocs JP. And our grand champion, Crocs Criza. So ito po yung mga clip ng mga kinanta nila.
Ibigin pa ang tinadasal
don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real, you know. It's time for me to do it on my own. It's be done. Don't even think about it. There ain't no way about it. I'm taking names, no other mine. Yes, I'm gonna take my turn. It's time for me to finally say hello. I find it hard, sleep at night. We are living through such troubled times. How can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute, another soul is gone? And I believe that in my life I will see an end to hopelessness of giving up, of suffering. Then we all stand together this one time. Then no one will get behind. Stand up for life. Breathless, I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have brought me out. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it. Or head on out the door. Just once, can't we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can't we find a way to finally make it right?
And you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am. Just as I am.
So ayan, that ends my video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much to our agent for the opportunity po na binigay nyo po na ma-share ko po yung story nyo at ma-share ko din yung mga ganap nyo po sa pupo sa agency nyo po. So I hope and pray na mas aangat pa po yung agency nyo po. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. So till next video. Bye!